little plastic sticks. But Apple was not giving up at all. They were actually setting a trap. They have been quietly building a massive Trojan horse that is going to completely destroy the competition. Real, undeniable leaks have finally surfaced about the brand new 2026 Apple TV 4K. This is not just a tiny, boring update to make your Netflix load a split second faster. This is a complete and total reinvention of what a television box can actually do. This new device is going to turn your basic living room into a high-end gaming lounge, a futuristic smart home command center, and a fully artificial intelligence power hub. Let me break down exactly what is coming in just a few short weeks, and why this is the most important piece of tech you will buy this entire decade. First, let us talk about the absolute most important thing on your mind. When is this magical device actually coming out? According to massive leaks from highly trusted sources like MacRumors, the absolute target date is spring 2026. Guys, look at the calendar. It is exactly that time right now. We are literally weeks away from this thing hitting the shelves in March or April. Apple has delayed this product multiple times, and they did it for incredibly good reason. They were not waiting on physical hardware parts from their factories. They were waiting on the brain. Apple's entire focus right now is Apple Intelligence. They knew that launching a brand new Apple TV with the old, dumb software would be a total disaster for their brand. They needed extra time to perfectly align this new super-powered hardware box with a massive launch of tvOS 26.4. Apple is completely famous for their software-first approach. They will literally hold back a finished physical product in a dark warehouse for months just to make sure the software is completely flawless. The wait is finally over, and the timeline means you need to be ready right now. Now, you might be asking why you even need a new Apple TV in the first place. The answer is hidden deep inside the box, and it is absolutely terrifying for companies like Sony and Microsoft. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman recently dropped a total bombshell leak. Apple is completely ripping out the old A15 chip from way back in 2021. They are replacing it with the absolute monster A17 Pro chip. Yes, that is the exact same ultra-powerful computer chip that runs inside the flagship iPhone 15 Pro. Think about how insane that really is for a second. A tiny, quiet little black box sitting on your television is going to have the exact same raw processing power as a $1,000 smartphone. This totally changes the core identity of the Apple TV. It is no longer just a simple box for streaming YouTube videos or watching the news. This is a stealth gaming console. With the A17 Pro inside, game developers can easily bring massive, heavy, console-quality video games straight to your television screen. You will be able to link up a wireless controller and play incredibly detailed games without ever needing to buy an expensive, bulky Xbox or PlayStation. Apple is literally sneaking a high-end gaming console right into your living room under the disguise of a simple streaming box. But extreme computer power means absolutely nothing if your internet connection is weak. We all know the pure pain of watching a spinning loading wheel on the screen right in the middle of a great action movie. Apple is completely eliminating that exact problem forever. Supply chain leaks heavily confirm that Apple is expected to drop their secret, custom N1 chip directly into this new 2026 model. This specific chip is the magic key that unlocks full Wi-Fi 7 support. Wi-Fi 7 is the absolute fastest, most reliable wireless internet technology that currently exists on the planet today. It is going to make buffering a thing of the ancient past. Your massive 4K movies will load instantly the second you click play. But the real reason Apple is using Wi-Fi 7 is actually much bigger than just watching movies. It is about total, absolute control over your entire house. Apple desperately wants this new Apple TV to be the permanent, central brain of your entire smart home. For that to actually work flawlessly, it needs an unbreakable, invisible wire connecting it directly to your internet router. Wi-Fi 7 gives it that perfect, zero-latency connection. Your smart security cameras will instantly pop up on your screen without lagging. Your smart lights will change colors the exact millisecond you ask them to. It will be the most reliable home command hub ever created by a tech company. Next, let us talk about a massive secret visual upgrade that nobody is paying enough attention to right now. Technology analysts at 9 to 5 Mac have pointed out that the next Apple TV will fully support advanced AV1 decoding. Do not let those boring technical letters confuse you. This is highly critical for your daily viewing experience. AV1 is essentially a brilliant magic trick for internet data. It allows massive streaming platforms to beam incredibly high-quality, crystal-clear 4K video directly into your living room, while using a very tiny fraction of the normal internet bandwidth. It makes absolutely everything look sharper, smoother, and vastly superior to older video formats. But here is the real viral secret behind this specific feature. Apple is not just adding AV1 to make your weekend movies look pretty. They are aggressively future-proofing this box for their massive mixed reality plans. AV1 is exactly the powerful technology you need to beam heavy, intense, three-dimensional cloud media right to the Apple Vision Pro headset. Apple is quietly turning this TV box into a massive server for their entire futuristic virtual reality ecosystem. Now we arrive at the absolute smartest thing Apple is doing this entire year. This is the exact move that will make this product go incredibly viral the second it launches. For the entire history of the Apple TV, it has always been seen as the rich person's streaming box. It was just way too expensive compared to a cheap Amazon Fire Stick or a basic Roku. Apple is finally ending that negative narrative completely. Massive leaks indicate Apple is introducing a highly aggressive two-tier pricing strategy for the very first time. They are completely expected to drop a base model right around the magical $100 mark. Listen to me very carefully. A brand new, ultra-fast Apple product for just $100 is going to completely break the internet. It is going to totally wipe out the high-end Roku and Amazon devices overnight. Every single person who ever hesitated to buy an Apple TV will buy one immediately at that cheap price point. But Apple is also taking great care of the massive tech nerds who want power. They're going to offer a premium, higher-tier version that will likely include much more internal storage space, physical Ethernet ports, and maximum networking capabilities for people who demand the absolute best. You get the perfect choice for your specific budget. All of this incredible, shiny hardware is going to be driven by something that feels like actual magic. We have to talk about Siri. Let us be completely honest with ourselves. For years, Siri on the television has been incredibly frustrating to use. You ask it for a simple comedy movie, and it gives you a dramatic documentary. It was practically useless for real tasks. That era of frustration is ending right now in 2026. The brand new tvOS 26.4 is completely built around the massive, terrifying power of Apple Intelligence. Siri is getting a total, genius-level brain transplant. You will not have to speak to your TV like a confused robot anymore. You can speak to it exactly like you're talking to a normal human being sitting next to you. You can hold a microphone button and say, "Show me those really cool science fiction movies from the last 5 years that have incredible Dolby Vision, but only the ones that are totally safe for my kids to watch." The new Apple Intelligence will instantly process that highly complex, multi-layered question. It will seamlessly search across every single streaming app you own and deliver the exact perfect list of movies instantly. It is going to save you countless hours of endlessly scrolling through boring menus. Finally, there's one more wild leak that keeps coming up from insider Mark Gurman, and it proves Apple wants to own your living room completely. Apple is heavily testing the integration of a native FaceTime and camera experience directly for the television. We might see a built-in camera or deep, flawless integration with your existing iPhones to turn your massive TV into a giant communication screen. Imagine sitting comfortably on your sofa and having a life-sized, crystal-clear video call with your family across the world, all perfectly tracked and framed by Apple's smart software. It changes the television from a simple screen you just stare at into a magic window that connects you to the rest of the world. So, here's my absolute best, honest opinion as someone who watches these technology trends every single day. If you go to a store right now and buy the older Apple TV or any other streaming stick, you're making a massive financial mistake. We are literally weeks away from Apple dropping a $100 supercomputer directly into our living rooms. The massive leap to the A17 Pro chip, the flawless speed of Wi-Fi 7, and the absolute genius of Apple Intelligence make this the biggest leap forward in television tech in a decade. It is going to act as your gaming console, your smart home brain, and your ultimate entertainment center all in one tiny box. Hold on to your cash. Wait just a little bit longer for this spring release to happen, and you will buy a device that will easily last you for the next 7 to 10 years without breaking a sweat. If you found this video helpful and you want to always be the smartest person in the room about upcoming tech, you have to subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your family and friends so they do not accidentally waste their hard-earned money on an old, outdated streaming box this week. And make sure you smash that bell icon so you get notified the exact second this incredible new device officially launches.